Now let's implement pagination for the native query. So for that, I'm just copying above API and putting it here. So what I'm going to change here, so instead of query method, I'm just putting the native, where yeah, API should be the same. So instead of query method, I am changing the name to the native. Okay, so yeah, the same request response, I'm just changing the changes into the repository. So here I'm just putting the @query. Okay, so here we need to pass the query. So I'm just putting the first parameter as a value. So I'm just putting native query as select star from student where city is equal to city. So for that purpose, I need to add this param here. The name of parameter is city. Okay, so we added the query. After that, we need to tell this query is native query. So we have this. Sorry, I forget the comma. So let me write the another query, which is count query. So we need to give the count query for the pagination purpose. So I'm just copying the same query, but here I'm just putting the count instead of star. Let me remove this city. Here I'm just putting the count. Okay, so we need to add another query, which is nothing but the count query, and we need to tell this query is native query. So I'm just adding the last attribute, that is native query is equal to true. So we need to add these three parameters. Okay, so this first one is the value where we need to put the query, second one is the city, and third one is the native query, which is true. I'm just zooming it more to show you better. Okay, let's run this program and test. API is changed, so I'm going to give the name native native and putting chan as same. So yeah, we are able to get the same result with the help of native query with the pagination.